Hello everyone, welcome you all on my YouTube channel Law Decoded. In this video we are going to discuss about the form MGT-6 which has been recently changed by MCA on July 15, 2024. So when I was going through this form I have noticed certain issues, but before going to discuss those issues, let's first understand what is the purpose of MGT-6. So MGT-6 form is filed by a company when the company receive a declaration from the registered owner and the beneficial owner in the form of MGT-4 and MGT-5 in the physical form. So one may ask, what is the requirement of having a two-person in one particular share, and two-person are the registered owner and the beneficial owner. So very practical scenario is when a company incorporate a wholly owned subsidiary. So as you understand, wholly owned subsidiary mean where the whole share capital held by a company, which is a parent entity or the holdco. So in this scenario, how, and let's say that new company which is going to be incorporated is a private limited company, and we need a two member to incorporate a private limited company. So how a company which is a holdco can fulfill the requirement of having a two member? So in such scenario, a holdco generally nominate its employee to hold one share in the capacity of as a registered owner. There is no beneficial interest held by that employee. So by doing so, the company can be called as a wholly owned subsidiary also, and the minimum requirement of having a two member can be fulfilled as well. So that's a basic one of the scenario, not a basic purpose. There could be other scenarios as well where you can file the declaration MGT-4 and 5 so that the company can further file MGT-6. But this concept of wholly owned subsidiary incorporation is one of the practical scenario where such form is filed by the company. And there are two attachments to this form, MGT-4, which is a physical form and filed by the registered owner who does not have any beneficial interest, and form MGT-5, which is also a physical form filed by the beneficial owner, which is not on the register of the company, member register basically. So basically this is the basic purpose of why the form MGT-6 is required to be filed. Let's come to the point of certain issue which I have noticed. So I have just taken a printout of the PDF version of the new form, and under point number 5 they are asking about the particulars of the person who holds a beneficial interest in such share. So first details, if I would skip, so particular details they're asking about the beneficial owner is the income tax and the passport number. To best of my knowledge, such details has never been asked in the erstwhile MGT-6, but they are asking in this, which seems there has to be a natural person. But you may argue also that the body corporate also have an income tax pen. So let's go to the further details wherein they are asking about the date of birth and the nationality. Again, only a natural person can have as a birth date and the nationality. Body corporates does not have a nationality, does not have any sort of citizenship, so there is no point of having a nationality. And in case of the body corporate, there is a date of incorporation, but again we can assume instead of date of birth we can put the date of incorporation. But the last point, when they are asking about the father's name and the husband name while asking the details of the beneficial owner, and these are the mandatory field, and to my best of my knowledge, body corporate cannot have a father. So I don't know what details you need to fill in this field while filing this new form. And from these 3 pointers, it seems that only the natural person can be the beneficial owner while filing the MGT-6. I don't know how the corporate will fulfill the requirement when they receive the details of a beneficial owner as a body corporate. There going to be a problem, and I think there is certain clarification needed from the MCA side. Otherwise this will create a great confusion while filing the MGT-6, and I don't know whether they will change the form or not, but this seems to be a problem from the MCA side. They did not consider, or maybe their intention is to only have a details of the natural person. So let me know your thought, whether you are also thinking in the same way that only the natural person details can be filled in as a beneficial owner in the new MGT-6. Thank you for watching this video.